along with me as we turn this into the I Spy bunk bed room. First, let's start with some inspiration. Get out our trusty Craig jig and a bunch of plywood. I used the design in SketchUp to get the measurement for these stairs, and then I added my own twist on the bookshelf. It's surprising what you can do with a little plywood and some screws. This bed frame and bookshelves are from IKEA. The clearance section really blessed me this time. When I'm designing projects, I have a rough idea of what I'm doing, but I make a lot of it up as I go along, like the desk that wasn't in the original design. Confession, I repainted this 3 times. And here's the actual I Spy element of this room. This was by far the funnest part to make. There are more videos of this process on my page if you want to see more. And let me tell you, it was a journey. I just can't tell you how much I love resin. These floors were surprisingly easy to install. Think organ pipes. And of course you have to have good lighting, because lighting is what makes any space magical. I really went all out and created lots of unique light fixtures for this room. Finishing touches, and you have a nautically inspired I Spy bunk bed room. Each area in this room is special, and everywhere you go there's something new and interesting to look at. It was super fun to create, and I really hope our future guests enjoy it as much as I did. Follow my page to see more.